What's going on, guys? Your boy Sean here. Welcome to another video. Today Lily and I and her family are gonna go to the pool. Let's see what we can get into.
Nerf this!
It's another beautiful day out here in the Boston area. It's hot. I feel like it's a little muggy out. It's the first time I'm walking outside. We're ready to get in the pool, hang out with some family and some friends. Let's get after it. Ignore my crazy hair. I haven't really done anything with myself yet. Just got this like one little shwee wisp that's like sticking up.
Oh, shwee!
Yeah. You know, I have to have my job before I start my day. That's what I'm doing right now. Lily's getting ready. Just in front of me. She's already got her suit on. She looks absolutely gorgeous. Alright, we got the swimming trunks on. Hat to cover up that messy ass hair. This lighting sucks. Not gonna do it, obviously, because we're gonna go in the pool, so what's the point in putting that gel and product in there? There's not. Lily's downstairs waiting for me right now, so let go. Update, we've arrived at the pool. Sun's like not out right now and it's kind of bringing me down, but here she comes. Going to put my camera in the car and my wallet and stuff, just because we're by the pool. There's a lot of people. They're already drinking. I just have a bad feeling, so I'm gonna put the camera back in the car. Ice cream. What's up, guys? I left the camera in the car, obviously, like I told you, because water splashing, people are drinking, so.
Which was a great idea that you left it.
Yeah, it is. I really believe that it was a good idea to do that. So where are we off to now? We're gonna get some ice cream, some dairy-free ice cream, but more importantly, back home.
Yes. You just sounded like Mr. Roberts. I mean, not Mr. Roberts. What's his name?
Rogers?
Mr. Rogers. But back home. I like the way you said it.
Oh, you be my neighbor. So quick change of plans. We're going to Chipotle right now instead of going home because, well, we can.
I don't know though, because I wanted some ice cream.
I want some ice cream too, so we're gonna get some ice cream after we get some Chipotle. Yes. Deal?
Deal.
Deal?
Deal.
Deal. So we made it to Chipotle. I gotta pee really bad. Doesn't look like Lily's coming, so I'm gonna go. Wish me luck. I literally just waited for like 10 minutes because I thought someone was occupying this bathroom. No one was in here. And I almost peed my pants. Oh, let's go. So I thought that Lily had to go to the bathroom, but I guess not. Got the Chipotle in hand. Gains, bruh. Show it, show it.
It's always something every time.
Burrito, bruh. That Chipotle was amazing.
It was.
What's up, guys? Next day, I gotta go get a car battery, and I gotta upload this. Say hi to the shwee.
Hi!
I really don't want to go do this right now, but I got to. So let's get moving. Left my car running because if I turn it off, the battery's gonna die. Holla at your boy.
Are you still filming?
I am now again.
Oh. Oh, wait.
Battery's about to die. Battery, come on.
Battery's about to die.
Battery's about to die. So we've arrived. Hopefully everything goes well. And it's just a battery and nothing else. So I just left AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts, whatever it is. I don't really know. Shout out to them for hooking it up with the battery, a free installation, which is really probably included in the price of the battery. But fast, efficient, good stuff. Was getting caught up in a little bit of traffic, and for those of you who don't know, who don't live in Massachusetts or in the South Shore, there was a police officer that died, rest in peace. I didn't know him, obviously, but it just made me start thinking about what I was going back to in my last vlog, which was, you only live one time, guys. You never know when it's your time to go, because when it's your time, man. And that's why you got to make sure to enjoy yourself while you're on this life. You know what I mean? You don't want to take everything too seriously. You don't want to work that you forget your family and friends and things of that nature. Just enjoy life and make sure you work hard and you do the right thing, but also make sure that you take some time to do fun things, have some fun, spend time with the loved ones, because you never know. Tomorrow could be your last day. And that's where I'm gonna end this vlog, guys. Appreciate you checking it out. As always, I release videos every Monday and every Friday. Monday to get your week started, Friday to get your weekend going. So turn post notifications on, subscribe if you want to, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks so much.